Hello guys, welcome to Learn to Earn. Today I am very excited because I am going to share with you guys the most highly paying freelancing skill that's worth $1 million. Yes guys, I am not joking. I will be sharing with you guys the one freelancing skill that's worth $1 million not only in 2021 but in the upcoming years. The only thing that this skill is going to get is an upcoming demand. So it's not a joke. First of all, I will be sharing with you the proof why this skill is worth $1 million. Secondly, what is this skill all about? And third, and the most important thing, I will be sharing with you guys how you can master this skill within a short period of time. Alright, so the skill that's worth $1 million is called funnel. If you guys don't know about funnel, you might type it on the Google. But first of all, let me give you the proof why this funnel, creating a funnel freelancing skill is worth $1 million. Alright, first of all, I will be going to Upwork. Alright guys, if you can see here, it's a job for funnel page configure. The budget it's offering is $150, just a single project. If you don't know how much time it does to create a funnel, then I would recommend the way that I will be showing further ahead till the end of the video. It's gonna only take you 10 minutes. So just 10 minutes for a project is going to earn you $150. And guys, let's move on to the next job. Landing page needed. You see the budget here? It's $700 guys. And if you just focus your eyes here, the entry level, the client has mentioned that he need a entry level funnel expert for this project. So what does it basically means? You are starting up with a freelancer who has mastered the skill of creating funnels, and he's going to get $700 from a single project. And trust me, creating a landing page through my method is only going to take you 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, it means less time, more money, more profit in your pocket. That's the skill which is worth $1 million. Alright guys, I've already shown you some of the projects, and these projects were offering a fixed budget. Alright, so let's move down to see some of the budgets which are paying on hourly rate, conversion rate optimization, and funnel expert. Guys, see the budget here? It's $10 to $30 per hour. And as you can see, the time duration for this project is 1 to 3 months. Alright, so just say the 7 hours a day. If you guys have been doing a freelancing and you're an intermediate level freelancer, you know that most of the project doesn't require as much time as the job states. But if you have basically mastered that skill, you complete that project in short amount of time, and then when you are basically submitting it, you just type the time which you think might have been taken by any other freelancer. So 1 to 3 months of job that's offering you $10 to $30 per hour. Even if we say that we have been working 7 hours a day, and you might multiply 7 with almost 60 days, guys, he's gonna cross $500. So I don't think there is any other freelancing skill that is going to offer you such a high payout rate and that consumes so much less time, guys. So these were the freelancing job. Now I will show you how much the freelancers are getting paid for this job, guys. Alright, if you can view here, I have write the funnel experts. Alright guys, if you see this one here, Anna B, she has only one review on her profile, means she has been working as a funnel expert and there's only one review, and the cost that's taking to hire Anna B as a freelancer is $55 per hour. Guys, this is an insane amount of money. So if you have been doing freelancing for some time, or whether you're a beginner, you have a clear idea how much $55 per hour can help you earn. So those who are trying and focusing on the goal of forming a 6-figure career on freelancing platform, I seriously recommend you go and start mastering the skill of creating a funnel and become a funnel expert, guys. So if I scroll above, alright, I will be showing you some more. It's $30, it's $50. There's another one with $50. Okay, it's Leandro Alberto G, guys. He is all costing $50 per hour, guys. It's an insane amount of money. Alright, if we scroll down a bit, $55. Of course, there are some beginners who are asking. Muhammad R from Pakistan, he's taking $30 per hour as a funnel expert. Guys, trust me, this is an insane amount of money. Alright, I have shown you the freelancing job that were offering a huge amount of money on Upwork, as well as what these freelancers are costing to hire. Now, those who don't know what a funnel is, let me explain what is basically a funnel. All right, guys, basically, if you have seen various kind of ads on the internet, and what is basically an ad is you go and touch on that ad, it will go you to a sales page, something like that. But a funnel is quite different. Here you can see the first part of the funnel is a landing page, which is going to appear on your screen when you are scrolling down a website or viewing someone's content. All right, so the landing page is so much convincing that if somehow you end up entering your email, you're first of all, with the help of this funnel, with only the help of the landing page, the client will be getting your email, which, if you don't know, in the e-commerce and affiliate marketing category is a very essential source for promoting and increasing sales. Secondly, once when you enter your email in a funnel, it will take you to the sales page, which is called building the value. Because if this funnel sells you something, then this funnel has been proven its efficiency. It's very efficient in increasing the sales, because first it had convinced you to stay at that specific landing page, which of course, whichever website it was running on, it would have helped to make some amount because it had been monetized with Google AdSense, if you know, guys. And third, once you have collected some money, so the best part about a funnel is once you have bought something from that funnel sales page, it's not gonna end there. It's gonna take you to an upsell page. So what is an upsell page? For example, you're buying a t-shirt online, all right? From the sales page, you bought that t-shirt. Next up, once you are done buying, it's gonna take you to upsell page where it is going to show you, appear some kind of socks. It could be a band. It could be any accessory that is related to it, but it's gonna cost a bit lower than the original price. So what this funnel did, it also collected your email, it sold the product, it also did an upsell, and last of all, on the delivery time, we are going to send a thank you message. So the difference between a basic website and is a funnel is that funnel builds value, guys. What does a funnel do? A funnel builds value. So I think some of you might have gotten a basic idea of what a funnel is. I have shown you the proof that how outstanding this creating funnel skill is. I have shown you how much high paying it is. Now, last thing that I wanted to show you is how much time does creating a funnel consume. Well, if you do the orthodox method, it might cost you almost 4 hours to 6 hours. But if you want to create a funnel as complex as this, which is having 4 pages, a sales page, a landing page, an upsell page, and thank you page, then it might take almost 6 to 8 hours. But the best thing is, guys, I will be sharing you the one software which will enable you to build funnels just by dragging and dropping process. It's gonna take you only 10 minutes, and the best part is gonna teach you how to create funnel within 10 minutes, as well as you can use this software for 14 days for free as a trial. Alright, so I will be taking you there, guys. Here it is. This is the name of the software, ClickFunnels, guys. If you haven't heard of the ClickFunnels, I seriously recommend you go to Google, type ClickFunnels, and here it is. Start your 14-day free trial now, guys. And even if you have a paid subscription, you can cancel the subscription anytime within the 30 days period, and you can get your money back, guys. It is one of the best software that you will ever come across for building a funnel, because ClickFunnels only takes 2 things. You need to drag and you need to drop, and boom, the funnel is ready, guys. You can build funnel for generating leads, you can build funnel for selling products, you can build funnel for following up emails, guys. Every single type of funnel that you need to build for your client on a freelancing platform, this software is going to offer. So here's how you do it. If you have seen my video about how to start freelancing as a total beginner and get your job within the first 20 days, I seriously recommend you go sign up for the free trial. Go to the jobs area of any freelancing platform where you are registered. Just sign in there, okay, guys, and build your portfolio, build some funnel, seeing what the client need, what kind of funnel the client is needing. And once you're done, start writing proposal, guys. Just imagine just one project earning you more than $1,000 in your pocket. What are you gonna do with it? So the best part is, I have a question for you guys. Those who are going to start freelancing from today or are already doing freelancing, I seriously recommend you guys master this skill. It's only gonna have a 14 days free trial, and I believe those who have already have a serious and loyal client and freelancer relationship and have gotten some jobs already on a freelancing platform, you might be able to get your first funnel job, a job as a funnel expert within the first day. So guys, go and get this skill. It's a worth $1,000,000. And the best thing that I like about this skill is the only thing that it is going to get in the upcoming years is an increasing demand. Why? Guys, if you list the best job, the best business out there worldwide, what is it? It's neither e-commerce, no Shopify, no affiliate marketing. It's basically the business which are running on internet. People are trying to tell their courses, they're trying to sell products. So in other words, whether it's e-commerce, it's Shopify, it's affiliate marketing, it's ads, all of them are basically being run on internet. And how in the world are they going to promote their services? They're gonna need a funnel for it. And who's gonna build a funnel for them? It's going to be you guys. So guys, go just master the skill. It's a 14-day free trial for you, and this skill is literally worth $1,000,000. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, do like, subscribe, and share it with all those freelancers out there who are having difficulty with their skills and want to create and build a 6-figure career. Alright guys, thank you so much.